I'd like also to respond to that question by inviting the attention of the chamber to the rider that is at the bottom of that article, which is that this measure shall not be prejudicial or inconsistent with the rights of the accused and a fair and impartial trial. We submit on our part that part of what constitutes a fair and impartial trial is open proceedings, conducting the proceedings in the open, and giving an opportunity to the people who are affected and their families to know what allegations are facing the accused. We would very much pray that in considering the psychological well-being of the witness, the balance be struck with the interest of Mr. Sang, the accused. We would also like to say, secondly, that the court should be alive to the issues we've always raised, that the witnesses are lying, and it is possible that the motivation for seeking that these proceedings be conducted in a closed session is so that the lies that they are alleging cannot be heard by the wider public. And we would pray that the allegations, which are wild and are a fantasy, should not be given the window that they are seeking, that it be conducted in a closed session. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. The court will now adjourn for 10 minutes. The judges will deliberate on the matter for 10 minutes and move it back in 10. In 10 to 11. I need to adjust my.
All right, veuillez vous lever.